Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you two vegan dessert recipes. One is chocolate chip cookies and one is a banana chocolate ice cream. I have not tried either of the recipes, so I mean this is definitely like, is it good? And we will find that out together. But I will let you know that I'm filming this after I have filmed the cookies and the ice cream, and just stick around for the cookies, guys. They were so good. You're gonna be they look beautiful. You're just gonna love them. Okay, definitely make them, but okay, like, keep on in the video. Thanks for clicking, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. So I have all my, well, most of my dry ingredients, just like the bigger quantity and stuff that I wanted to put away. For this recipe, you need 2 1/4 cup of flour. If you want to be gluten-free, then just get any regular gluten-free flour that's like a 1-for-1 match to regular flour. 1 1/4 cup brown sugar packed, and then baking soda, just 1 teaspoon. So first we're gonna whisk together the 1/2 cup coconut oil and the 1 1/4 cup brown sugar with 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So we're just gonna, and you don't want it completely melted. This one is kind of like a paste. And for coconut oil, I just am using this Better Body Foods Natural Refined Organic Coconut Oil. It's just one from Walmart. So dump that in, and the brown sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And we're just gonna mix that together. It says whisk, but all my whisks are dirty, so this will just have to do. Just keep whisking together until it is well combined. Okay, it's definitely coming together. You can see that. Look at that. Okay, so I totally did not think this through, and I just thought it said almond milk. So we're just gonna try with almond milk. I mean, it'll have to do. It's only 1/4 a cup, which I know it's a lot for a liquid, but we're just gonna do it. Idiot. Okay, cross your fingers, guys. I gotta get some clean now. And then 1/4 cup applesauce. So 1/4 cup coconut milk and 1/4 cup unsweetened applesauce, and just mix that together until it is also well combined. So if this was coconut, it does say use a thicker one, and I was just thinking thicker kind of almond milk. I don't know what was going through my brain. So this is what it looks like now. So then in this bowl, we're gonna whisk together the flour. That's 2 1/4 cup flour. The baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and then 1/2 teaspoon salt. Then just mix that together until well combined. Then we're adding the dry ingredients to the wet mixture. I don't think this is gonna work, but usually I like to make like a little dent in it just to get that dry stuff like right down in there right away. And taking a wooden spoon, just dump that all in there, and then mix it up with that wooden spoon. And just stir this until it is nice and combined. So it's looking like this, and it's very thick, as the recipe says it will be. So I'm thinking it might be okay that we used almond milk instead of coconut milk. Now we just fold in 1 3/4 cup chocolate chips, and I have the Chatfield's nut, dairy, soy free semi-sweet chocolate chips. Let's try one, see how they taste. It's just like chocolate chips. Wow, I was expecting a little different. So we just need 1 of these. And I like mine very chocolatey. So, we're just gonna do it like that. That'll work. Beautiful. Now just fold these in. And I already have my oven preset to 375. This doesn't have any egg in it, so you could just chow down on this without cooking it. Let's try it, see how it tastes, not cooked. Gotta get it all in there. Yeah, that's really good, actually. This is my first time making vegan cookies, so I'm pretty impressed with how cookie-like they are. So this is supposed to be like 3 tablespoons with cookies, I don't know, like 3 chunks of tablespoons. Wow, this batter's really good. Okay, I gotta stop. So this is half a tablespoon. I think I'm just gonna maybe like another. This is big. I don't know why they want it to be so big. So I'm just gonna do it like that. This is the sheet I am using. It is Casaware. It was just a gift. But I don't have any parchment paper, but this, I'm pretty sure, was made like just for cookies. So we're just gonna wing it and hope it, you know, works. This is just the first batch, so I mean, I can always put some butter down or something to keep it nice and so it's not sticky. So this is how much I fit on my sheet. It's not a lot, and I do think they're gonna hit the edges, but that'll be fine. So we're gonna put them in a 375 heated oven for 9 to 10 minutes. So let's do it. Does it say? Okay, so for 9 to 10 minutes or until they're golden brown. I'm gonna put them on this shelf. Hopefully that's okay. So for this recipe, it is vegan ice cream, and it just calls for 3 frozen bananas, which are chopped into chunks, and in this, which is my Ninja blender, it's supposed to be in a food processor, but I do not have one of those. So this, I mean, it pretty much does the same thing. It'll just grind it down into a smooth mixture, and then some almond butter, 2 tablespoons of almond butter. Half a tablespoon of Hershey's cocoa powder, and 1/4 of a cup of almond milk. So now we're just gonna mix this all together and hope that it mixes pretty well. You will probably have to like take it out and like stir it to help it get mixed, and in a food processor it will be a lot easier. So, you know, we're doing it the hard way. Yeah. So it's pretty loud. Okay, so it's pretty mixed down here, but I am going to take it out and stir it up a little bit. Okay, so I stirred it up a little. So we're going to take it out. So now I'm going to have to stir it up again because there are still some chunks down there that are not getting mixed up. It is still like mixing in there, so I'm just gonna like let it sit like this, me holding it down for 30 more seconds. So I'm just gonna put it into this Tupperware. It doesn't look like there's like a whole lot in here, so I'm hoping it'll fit. And I'm hoping it'll taste good. So this is how much it made with 3 frozen bananas. Yeah, so let's try it. Okay, ready? Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. Just a small bite. Kind of nervous. It just tastes like bananas. I think I'm going to put a little more cocoa powder in and hope that it tastes more like chocolate bananas. So I did like half a teaspoon, not that much, not all of it. And then I am going to mix in a little bit, and then I am going to mix in a little bit of these vegan chocolate chips. Okay, so let's stir it up. Okay, so I mean it looks exactly the same, just with chocolate chips in it now. But we're gonna try it one more time and hope it tastes a little bit like chocolatey than before. Okay, so can you see me? Ready? I'm a little nervous. Gotta get a chocolate chunk in there. Yeah, I mean it's not bad. I mean it's not bad. It just tastes like bananas. I would probably not make this again. But no. I mean I can finish it. Not in one sitting, but when I'm craving my ice cream, this'll do. Wow. Yeah, I mean, I'm a little disappointed, but, I mean, there's millions of recipes out there for vegan ice cream, so we will definitely be trying them out. Maybe that could be a series. Find the good vegan ice cream. So, the cookies are done. The first batch, I have not put in another batch because I let them cool down a little bit on the tray. And they look delicious, if I do say so myself. Let's give the first round. Oh, they didn't stick at all, so that's definitely good. So let's give her on a try. They're very thick and like fluffy. I just recently made non-vegan cookies with a friend, and I mean they were the flattest cookies ever, so I'm really happy with like the texture, and they smell really good.
I feel like he's breathing me.
Wow. Holy cow. Oh, sorry. Those are delicious. Oh my god. Seriously? I wish you guys could try these. Oh my god, they're so good. I seriously wish you could try these delicious cookies. Oh my gosh. Just gonna bite. Look at it. Can you see? It's just so thick and creamy and beautiful. And we still got all those to make. Hell yeah. So, for anyone trying to go vegan out there, definitely these cookies are the best. I will have the recipe down below and the blog post where I got them from. Not my blog post. I don't remember what it was, but I'm pretty sure it's a vegan blog person. Definitely make those. They're awesome. I was worried this Christmas that I wouldn't have any cookies to eat because cookies, you know, are made of like eggs and like non-vegan stuff. So I'm so happy. These are way better than honestly any cookies I've had recently. Definitely let me know if you tried them. They're really good. Definitely worth it. And they're so easy to make. Like, wow. And you saw the ingredients. I will have the ingredients down below and the blog post where I got them from. Also for the ice cream, ingredients will be down below in the blog post where I got them. The ice cream, like, definitely wasn't bad. Give it a try if you're a banana person. I mean, you could always scoop it into a bowl and then squirt some chocolate syrup on, but then that would not be vegan unless you have vegan chocolate syrup, which honestly, I don't even know if they make that. But yeah, definitely let me know if you tried either of them. And maybe if yours tastes a little different, like if your ice cream didn't taste as much like bananas, like let me know what you did, because I love chocolate and I love bananas, and like this just tastes like bananas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sure it was a little messy because I really wasn't sure how to do like cooking, how to film this. So definitely, hopefully it turns out not as messy. But yeah, thanks for watching. Give it a like and please subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.